Welcome to this in-depth review of Print Genie, a platform dedicated to streamlining dropshipping for print-on-demand businesses. Print Genie offers an intuitive interface for entrepreneurs to create, sell, and ship customized products without holding inventory. With its extensive catalog of customizable items, including apparel, accessories, and home goods, the platform ensures a seamless integration with popular e-commerce stores like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy. In this video, we'll explore its features, pricing, and how to get started. Print Genie provides quick design tools that allow users to upload artwork, choose from a range of templates, and preview products before they go live. The shipping process is also straightforward, as Print Genie handles the entire logistics chain, ensuring orders reach customers on time. The platform's transparent pricing structure eliminates hidden fees, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced dropshippers. Additionally, its user dashboard provides real-time insights into order statuses and product performance, empowering sellers to optimize their operations. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. While Print Genie excels in many areas, some users report occasional issues with product availability and delays during peak seasons. However, the responsive customer support team actively works to address such concerns, ensuring user satisfaction. The platform's commitment to continuous improvement is evident in its regular feature updates and expanding product selection. Don't miss out on more insightful content. Hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and stay tuned for more reviews and tips to grow your dropshipping business.